For the next exercise, we're going to do another rotation of our spine. Lift both arms to the side, shoulders are relaxed. And then rotate your spine to the left and to the right. And there are a few options for this movement. You can do this movement on the rhythm of your breath. Inhale, left, exhale, right. Inhale, left, exhale, right. Or maybe it feels better to go a bit faster and make the movement and the breath separate. You can turn your head, or you can leave your head in the middle. Let your intuition guide you by how you want to do this movement. And maybe you have a faster pace. Slow down the movement. Get the movement in tune with your breath again. Last time on the right, and then I'm going to let go of the exercise. Put my arms on the Alinker and take a moment to feel my body from the inside, to give my body the time for integration.